Happy Sunday to you. Time now is 6:43. It's 70 degrees outside. We're warmer than what we saw yesterday and a bit of hazy sunshine out there showing via our strat cam. Dew point at 38. Now we are seeing dry conditions sticking around for the next 7 days as temps are in the 70s for McCarran, Las Vegas, Indian Springs at 56. You're looking at St. George in the low 60s along with Kingman and Death Valley at 76 already this morning. That 13-hour forecast showing we will see a pretty quick warm up to the upper 70s by around 11 a.m. and then mid to upper 80s by 2 into 3 p.m. Lots of clear skies today. Winds are going to be lighter than what we saw yesterday after those gusts reached close to 27 miles per hour. Today, we expect that to stay below 15 miles per hour. Now, those highs today, 88 degrees for Las Vegas, and across the region, you could see some spots in the low 90s like Mesquite, Overton, Pahrump flirting with that 90-degree mark, and Beatty at 83 for the day. Boulder City and Henderson, the east side of the valley, in the upper 80s. Summerlin closer to 86, and Red Rock at 85 for the day. So taking a look at what we typically see this time of year, average is closer to 83. So yeah, we are above average, but thankfully well below record territory. 95 degrees, that was set in 1978. And our lows are supposed to be closer to 60 degrees, but we're also about 5 to 6 degrees above average there. We are dropping closer to 65, 66 degrees overnight. But hey, if you want to get outside and enjoy this nice cool down that we're enjoying, we're seeing mid 80s for Red Rock Canyon through the next couple of days, but reaching the low 90s as we get into Tuesday. Valley conditions will start to mimic that as well, a bit of a warm up there. Mount Charleston also seeing a nice warm-up, dropping into the 70s for today, but mid-70s as we get into Monday and Tuesday. Those sunny skies continuing the next couple of days, and those morning temperatures starting off in the low 50s. So from here, this is that cold, low-pressure trough that has brought a slight minor change to our region, not as much as we had hoped for, but a high pressure from here going to really take control as we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that brings our temperatures right back up. We expect to see 93 degrees as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So those above average temps about 10 degrees above where we should be as we get towards the week. Lots of sunshine, those temps overnight in the mid 60s. All right, checking on your Sunday morning temperatures. Here's a look at conditions at McCarran right now. 66 degrees. We're a tad warmer this morning than what we were dealing with yesterday, but our afternoon temps are going to be cooler. Here's a look at the weather whiplash that we are expecting as early as tomorrow. We've been talking about this all week, and it's finally in our near future here. 57 degrees by tomorrow, but those afternoon temps today, 78 degrees. So we'll be dropping by about 20. Here's today's planner. We'll see some increasing clouds through the afternoon, and those north gusts really starting to pick up as we get into the late afternoon, evening hours. You're seeing those sustained winds right around 20 miles per hour. We could see gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour. This is that storm system that we are really watching today. Right now, we are looking pretty quiet for southern Nevada, but later on, here's what Futurecast models are saying could happen. We are watching the potential for this storm to drop down through the desert southwest and bring about a 20% chance of some scattered showers pushing into southern Nevada. That could also bring some light flurries to elevations above 4,000 feet. But then by Monday, that storm system really headed east, and we are going to be left with dry and very cold air for Las Vegas. Now, we are going to be dealing with those winds through much of your Monday, so expect tonight those gusts right around 30 miles per hour. Some locations could see up to 50 miles per hour, and you can expect that to continue through your Monday night. We're going to be dealing with a red flag warning Sunday night through Monday night through much of southern Nevada. That's because when you combine the gusts with dry conditions that we've been dealing with, that means fire danger. To combine with that, wind advisory through the Colorado River Valley. So if you are in that region, you'll likely see those stronger winds through Monday night. And then looking ahead to Tuesday, some regions like Pahrump and portions of Sandy Valley will see a freeze warning, potentially seeing the first freeze of the season. So taking a look at tomorrow, very cold conditions, 52 by noontime, and mid-50s by the afternoon with sustained winds right around 25. Those gusty conditions lasting at least through Monday, breezy conditions lingering on Tuesday, but thankfully that cold snap really only lasting one day. We'll be back in the mid to upper 60s Tuesday and back to the upper 70s as we get towards next week. But take note, those overnight temps Monday into Tuesday going to be very cold, some regions dropping into the 30s.